guys? I'm Chad. I'm with NOLA Shop Norway. Today I'll be giving a review on a product that I rated as 5 stars and the reasons why I rated it as 5 stars. So if you want to see the product in real life and it'll help you with your shopping decision, just stay tuned and continue watching. Thank you. Okay guys, how we doing today? Today I have the Sony FE28-60mm F4 to F5.6 compact zoom lens. I think this lens is the kit lens that they offer now with a lot of these packages, and I give this a 5 star. As you can see, this is at 28mm stop down to F4. That's the maximum aperture that you can get down to. So, and this is zoomed in to 60 at 5.6. As you can see, it gives you a little bit of bokeh, not a lot. All right, you guys, let's see what we have here. So we have this Sony 28-60mm. This is a zoom lens. It is, I think, the new kit zoom lens for a lot of the new cameras, like the Sony A7C. Okay, I give this 5 stars, and the reason why is this. I'm not a big fan of zoom lenses in general, even the really expensive ones. Not a big fan of them. I mean, they have their place. They're very versatile, but the way I shoot now, I always carry 2 bodies, especially if I'm doing weddings or something like that, or you know, I have a backup camera with me somewhere with a different lens or a variety of lenses available. Why I like this one, right? Versatility, affordability, and it's compact. It's like the most compact lens. I mean, it is a small lens. Look at that. I can almost engulf that in my hand. I use this lens for video. Don't take any photography with that lens. But for video, when I'm, you know, capturing motion, and it's, you know, if I have plenty of light, the compact build on this, I can use this on my gimbal, and it works very well with my gimbal stabilizing systems. That's why I like it, and it gives me versatility in different situations. I can go wide, or I can zoom in a little bit. And like I said, it's very compact. It is not wide at all. It's about 2.5 inches, 2 inches in depth. This is a very versatile lens. If you didn't get it with the kit, it is about $500, less than 300 used. So it does have a good amount of affordability, especially for the versatility that it provides you as far as focal length and the portability of it. So yeah, I'm gonna give this 5 stars. How much zoom you have on it? It doesn't quite go up to 75 or 70, but 60 is plenty enough zoom for a kit lens like this, especially how much they offer in this compact size. Like, it locks once you turn it, and then, you know, it comes out like that, and you know, it zooms a little bit when you turn. So maybe you have to understand what you're getting when you purchase it. But I still will give this 5 stars. I love this lens. It's I don't know, I just had to get it just for video. But when I'm on, you know, my gimbal and I'm trying to navigate around stuff, I like to be as compact as possible. Especially, I mean, I'm a wedding photographer, so, and a wedding videographer, so I like to have equipment that I can move around all day with. That's why this lens is rated 5 stars for me, because of the versatility and the value that it gives you for the price. One downside is the fact that it is not a fast lens, so you will need to be in situations where you have a lot of light, or can provide a lot of light, like in a flash, or you know, some type of continuous lighting or daylight. Man, in the daytime, this is my video camera lens. If I'm going out in the day, I mean, I don't even care if it's sunny. If I'm just going to be outside and this is the only lens I'm going to put on, this is going to be it. I can get me some zoom on here. I can get some really good wide shots, even for photography. Now, I'm not going to get the, the crazy blur or the depth of field that I want, but just for versatility, if I had to take one lens out to do videography and photography for, you know, outside in a day, this will be the one lens. If there's only one lens that you're gonna buy for less than $500, and you want to get versatility with it, this would be one of my choices. I'd probably go with my 50mm for less than like a lens that's less 300. I would probably go with the 50mm. But if you wanted a little bit more versatility on your focal length, this is the lens that you should get. So yeah, 5-star review.